Hello and welcome to the Healing Hour. My name is Amanda Earle and I am the owner and founder of Heal Chronic Illness. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about my approach to healing, my approach to dealing with chronic problems and chronic illnesses and everything in between. So if you have been suffering with a chronic illness for a really long time, chances are you have lost hope. And my goal is to always let people know that there is a way, there is a reason that your body is ill and doing what it's doing. And I want you to keep some hope, keep some faith that you can heal. The problem probably is that the root cause has not been sorted out yet. And there's a lot of information, advanced information that has been coming out. And it's not mainstream yet. And it's been coming out and helping a lot of people to heal and get better and overcome long-standing illnesses. So don't lose heart if you've been suffering for a long time. So my approach is, I practice what's basically called biomedicine. I practice Eastern and I practice Western, and I put them together and I attack an illness using both ideas and theories of medicine. For instance, I employ natural healing, and natural healing takes time. However, it's the only form of healing that's really going to work. If surgery is not going to help you, or you've had surgery and it hasn't helped, and prescription drugs are not going to help you or fix it, and you're kind of at a last resort, that's always the patients that I end up getting. So with my approach, I do a combination of Eastern and Western. Because natural healing can take a little bit of time, I usually will make a patient a customized medicine from scratch, herbal medicine. And the benefit of that is that herbal medicines do not really have side effects. If the practitioner doesn't consider weak digestion or a couple other factors, the worst thing that would happen might be loose stool. Maybe some like watery diarrhea, but that's not really common either if you know what you're doing. So herbal medication can really kind of take down the effects of an illness, kind of help you manage the symptoms while the natural healing is in process. That's why I like it. It can really get the person out of suffering and out of symptoms and kind of out of the woods while the natural things of what other things that we're doing are taking effect, so that you suffer a lot less longer. So that's kind of my approach. It's an Eastern and Western approach together. I take the best of both worlds and I explain things in Western terms, but if anything ever does not make sense to me, then I always look at it from an Eastern perspective, and I'm usually able to use that viewpoint to kind of get an advantage over the illness and to attack it. So in any case, my approach is to help you reduce your symptoms and the pain of the symptoms as quickly as possible out while weeding out the root cause and basically eliminating the cause of the problem to begin with so that it does not resurface later. A large part of my process of working with me is educating you about your illness. So there's a lot of information that's not mainstream, it's not out there, but that you should probably know about your illness. And I will be doing individualized videos about different illnesses to come. I've just started doing filming and have finally had the time in my practice to where I can make these videos and do the content and get some more information out there. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And like I said, for those of you that are out there suffering, don't lose heart.